Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Virtual Cashflow System. This is a new money-making opportunity that just came out. A lot of people are talking about it, and so I'm gonna give my take on whether or not I think this is a waste of money. All right, so what is Virtual Cashflow System? All right, this is a program created by internet marketer Danny Cash. She's come up with several different programs, and I've gotten several of them. They all were pretty good so far. All right, so she came up with this system, and it's basically an advertising platform for internet marketers, right, that allows you to earn instant commissions by promoting the platform. All right, so once you join Virtual Cashflow System, you get access to your own back office. This is where you can put up and promote different business opportunities. If you got your own online business or you're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, you can actually run text ads and banner ads. All right, so there's different levels that you could come in at, and everybody has to start off at the $10 level. All right, so for $10 you can not only start your own online passive income, but you also can promote whatever other offers you got going on. And that's pretty cool if you ask me. So is it a waste of money just getting straight off? Absolutely not. All right, it's really not, because even if you don't promote a virtual cash flow system and you start to build up your instant commissions, and you just get it just for the advertisement side of things, just because you have a product to promote or a business, whatever, it's well worth the $10. All right, so if you're watching this video and you're thinking about joining, or you're not sure, it's highly recommended, because first of all, I'm already promoting 2 businesses with Virtual Cashflow System just by me paying $10. I'm already promoting 2 of the offers that I'm involved with, right? And secondly, I already start earning commissions. I earned my first commission less than 24 hours after getting my Virtual Cashflow System all set up, which took me about like 10-15 minutes to do. And I earned an instant commission very, very quickly. All right, so if you're an affiliate marketer, network marketing, you're just getting started, like, this is what they call in the industry, you hear people say it all the time, this is a no-brainer. Yes, you should go into Virtual Cashflow System as a income opportunity, because you should want to promote the system to start earning commissions, right? But even if you don't, which wouldn't make sense why you wouldn't, but use it just to advertise whatever else you got going on. So essentially you're getting paid, right? You can earn commissions while you're promoting your other offers, which is multiple streams of income, right? You're going to get instant commissions from promoting virtual cash flow, and you should be getting leads and or sales from whatever you're promoting within the platform. All right, now keep it real. Couple questions I got, like, well, do I have to promote the Virtual Cashflow System, or do I have to promote Virtual Cashflow System to actually make money from Virtual Cashflow System as far as getting commissions? My opinion is yeah, right? Now, you could actually earn some money from what they call spillover, which means other people effort, they just really grinding and they filling up their little matrix, and eventually you could actually get people, from people above you, referring people, and they'll fall underneath you, and you can actually earn that way. But that's not a way to go into looking at it, because that means you're just hoping for spillover. If you get this program, right, and you want to really maximize your earning potential, you really need to promote the system. Remember, this is affiliate marketing. This is network marketing. So you should be comfortable marketing, right? So why wouldn't you want to promote something with such, easy commissions, and you're actually helping people by offering an advertisement platform, right? So no, you don't have to, promote Virtual Cashflow System to earn commissions, but you'll earn a lot more money if you decide to do so. So if you actually want to join Virtual Cashflow System, and you really want to maximize your earning potential, you already know I got a link in the description. You can join right now. Get started with this system, and you can reach out to me, and I will help you figure out what's the best way to promote a Virtual Cashflow System. So this really is a cool system. It's brand new. It's legit. I already start making money with it, and I'm already advertising other businesses. So if you're watching this, I mean, what you waiting on? So click the link in the description, get all signed up, and I will see you on the other side.